Hello, today I have Volkswagen Golf Plus with driver window problem, window not working, and I show you what is the problem. Turn ignition on and listen to the sound. Something moving, a little bit weird noises. It's window cables mechanism broken. I show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to remove this plastic cover with only clips, and you have to unscrew all these screws around the corner, from the bottom, and all this, a lot of screws. This like this is 30. Now you have to take the lock cylinder out. There's one screw right here. You should unscrew. Now you can unplug this cable. And push this door handle like this and take off this one screw. You have to unscrew. You can take this plastic protection. When you remove it, this and this, be careful. All this metal part start moving, and we can take it from the door. Like this. Take it this. This is our window mechanism. Now it's not visible from here. All cables are in place. This is rusty. That's our problem. Water came to this cable, protection cracked, water came inside, and cable broken. Okay, we have to disassemble also this side of the door, because we need to take this white plastic. White plastic have screws from inside. we need to take all this plastic panel door. Okay, let's start to take this panel. There is 4 screws hidden. 2 screws hidden under this plastic. It's just plastic fixators. You have to use tools like this and unclip it. There is 2 screws, 1, 2, and 2 screws hiding, one here and one here. You can unclip all panels. There is a clips like this, and you push to yourself like this and unclip it. Then you have to pull up, and all plastic is released. There is a cable. You have to remove, and also you have to remove this speaker connection and need to remove this connection. Need to push this fixator. And all panel is off. Now you can remove these 3 screws to release the white plastic when I mentioned before. Screws look like this. And now we can take this motor and control unit to see what damage was done. Look at that mess. All cable is full around motor. Luckily all these are good, not broken. Now need to push all these 3 plastic outside. All push it. We now have this free. Now we can continue with door mechanism. There is the screws holding 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our screws is hiding right here. I think better start with only these 2. When we release these 2, we can take this window out. Okay, I pushed window a little bit down and only release a little bit with 2 screws, and now we can take our window out. Be careful, don't break it. Very careful. And now only these 2 4 screws. When you release all these wires, screws, all cables start moving. Now you can take this mechanism out. I have all new cable mechanism, and we can start to install it. Just do in reverse order. I installed new cable mechanism, and I didn't mention what you can work only if you want from outside. You don't have to remove all this plastic from this side. You can only work from this side, but you now need to remove this one, this all black metal piece, this screw, and you can only unscrew this metal cover and do it from here. All remove this plastic from here if you want, but I do like this. You can check if everything moving freely like this. It should be easy moving. Now we can put the window back to the place. I install window back, and we now also can check if all moving freely, just pushing the window. Now need to screw back the window motor with now we can install door trim like we remove just in reverse order. We can assemble. Don't forget to plug this cable and connectors. Don't remember to hit a little bit harder to push clips inside. And all 4 screws. Now we can test how it's moving. All seems okay, no gaps. After repair also you have to clean a little bit, because from our fingers, from dirt, it should be clean. Then we have continue to work with metal, plastic, all connected, and now we can take this back. Don't forget to put this plastic and the screw. Then you can put this back. Also remember to put this cable. Put back the lock cylinder, and don't forget to screw the screw. The last thing is this plastic cover, and do inspection, but there is no gaps, all put together, everything nice. This and now we need to clean window and do the final test. Our window is clean and shiny. The car is not that clean. And do our final test. And you need to do window calibration just holding the button down when window is down, and hold up all the way for 5, maybe 10 seconds, and down. Now window can operate with one click. That's all. Our job is done.